China is not simply building infrastructure, it is performing massive surgery on the surface of the planet. You may have heard of the Great Wall of China, but that was the story of 1,000 years ago. Today, what is happening inside this nation is leaving Western engineers frustrated, and scientists stunned by numbers that seem to push beyond normal physical limits. These are no longer concept drawings on paper. This is a new reality, where humanity is forcing nature to submit in the most extreme ways imaginable. From dams powerful enough to slightly slow the rotation of Earth, to bridges stretched across the clouds. We are about to explore 10 megaprojects making the entire world hold its breath. Why is China willing to pour trillions of dollars into projects many once called impossible? Are these monuments of prosperity, or a technological declaration of war against the rest of the world? Buckle up, because this journey is about to completely change your definition of the word impossible. We begin with a true veteran of the megaproject world, the Three Gorges Dam. Standing on the mighty Yangtze River, this is not only the largest hydroelectric dam on Earth, it is a mechanical monster, stretching more than 1.4 miles long and rising over 600 feet high. Its scale is almost impossible to grasp. With a power output of 22,500 megawatts, equal to roughly 15 nuclear reactors running at full capacity, it supplies electricity to more than 80 million households. But those statistics are only the surface. The truly insane part, the fact that shocked the world, is the staggering amount of water it stores. More than 39 billion cubic meters. That is enough water to fill millions of Olympic swimming pools. Scientists at NASA confirmed that concentrating so much mass in one location slightly changed Earth's moment of inertia, slowing the planet's rotation by 0.06 microseconds. Yes, one structure was powerful enough to measurably affect the movement of the Earth itself. To build it, China relocated more than 1.3 million people and spent $37 billion over 17 years. But Three Gorges does not stand alone. Right now, China is pushing forward an even more ambitious project, designed to solve the thirst of the North. The South to North Water Diversion Project. If the Three Gorges Dam was built to stop water, then the South to North Water Diversion Project was built to control the flow of an entire nation. This is the largest water engineering project in human history, a continent-scale network of canals, tunnels, and pipelines designed to move 44.8 billion cubic meters of water every year, from the lush south to the dry north. Imagine waterways stretching for thousands of miles, including the Yinjiang-Buhan tunnel system, buried hundreds of feet underground, cutting through some of the most brutal mountain terrain in China. With an estimated cost of $80 billion, this is no longer just engineering, it is survival. Today, more than 70% of Beijing's clean water supply comes from this project. This is how China challenges nature itself. If the sky refuses to send rain where it is needed, they will redirect an entire river instead. Next, look out to sea. Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge became a global sensation when it opened as the longest sea crossing on Earth. Stretching 34 miles, it was built to survive Category 16 typhoons and earthquakes measuring 8 on the Richter scale. Engineers used enough steel to build 60 Eiffel Tower structures, but the real masterpiece lies below the surface, a 4-mile underwater tunnel buried beneath the seabed, allowing giant container ships to pass overhead. And yet, China did not stop there. Right beside this mega project, another record is rising, the Shenzhen-Zhongshan Link, a next-generation sea crossing featuring the widest and deepest immersed tunnel system ever built for 8 lanes of traffic. What makes it even more shocking is the speed of construction. Using automated assembly robots on the ocean floor, crews moved at breathtaking pace. When completed in 2024, it turned a 2-hour sea journey into a drive of just 30 minutes. This is not merely shortening distance, it is erasing the borders between megacities inside the Greater Bay Area. And finally, in this opening section, a symbol of the sky itself, Shanghai Tower, rising 2,073 feet into the air. It is the second tallest building on Earth, yet it carries one of the most unique designs ever attempted, a 120-degree twist. And that twist was not created for beauty. It reduces wind loads by 24%, allowing the tower to stand firm against violent tropical storms. Inside that massive glass shell sits one of the fastest elevators in the world. Moving at more than 67 feet per second, it can carry you to the 118th floor in under 1 minute. But what stunned architects most was hidden near the top, a 1,000-ton pendulum system operating as an electromagnetic-tuned mass damper, keeping the tower remarkably stable. Built at a cost of $2.4 billion, Shanghai Tower is not just concrete and steel, it is an intelligent machine, designed to adapt to a hostile environment. And these projects are only the beginning of China's engineering ambition, where every record seems to exist only to be broken by China itself. But if skyscrapers and giant dams already overwhelm you, the second half of this list moves into places humanity was never meant to conquer. We begin with a giant flower visible from space, Beijing Daxing International Airport. Designed by legendary architect Zaha Hadid, this is the largest single-terminal airport building in the world, spanning more than 700,000 square meters. What feels almost unbelievable is the column-free central structure, allowing natural light to flood the entire interior. But the real power is technology. Here, AI manages everything from baggage to security, and passengers can walk from the center of the airport to any gate in 8 minutes or less, with an investment of $17 billion. Daxing is not just an airport. It is a transportation hub fused with high-speed rail lines running directly beneath the terminal, at speeds near 155 miles per hour, without causing noticeable vibration above. That is the meaning of China's speed, building a future wonder in only 5 years, leaving behind the polished shine of the cities. We arrive in Hunan, home of the famous Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge, suspended between two cliffs more than 980 feet above the ground. This bridge is a true psychological test. 99 panels of reinforced glass, each more than 1 inch thick, create a transparent walkway staring directly into the abyss below. To prove its strength, engineers once smashed the top layer with sledgehammers, then drove a fully loaded vehicle across it. But that was years ago. Now, China has an even greater monster in the making. Huajiang Grand Canyon Bridge in Guizhou. Expected to be completed in 2025, it is set to become the highest suspension bridge on Earth. Its deck will stand more than 2,000 feet above the canyon floor. Imagine stacking 2 Eiffel Tower towers on top of each other, and still not reaching the roadway. Building a steel suspension bridge nearly 2 miles long, in violent mountain winds and dangerous karst terrain, is an engineering feat few nations would even attempt. And when it comes to conquering impossible landscapes, nothing represents that better than the road to heaven, the Qinghai-Tibet Railway. This is the highest railway on Earth, with more than 590 miles running above 13,000 feet. To operate in thin oxygen and frozen permafrost ground, engineers installed airline-style oxygen systems in every carriage, along with special ultraviolet protected windows. But if Qinghai-Tibet is already legendary, then the Sichuan-Tibet Railway is something else entirely. A mission impossible on rails. This may be the most difficult railway project in human history, crossing the Himalayas through some of the most unstable geological fault zones on Earth. Hundreds of miles of tunnels are being drilled through eternal snow mountains, where rock temperatures can rise above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, or where giant underground water pockets can erupt without warning, costing tens of billions of dollars. This route will connect Chengdu with Lhasa, transforming a brutal multi-day journey into a high-speed rail trip of only hours. And finally, we return to architectural creativity inside China's cities. We begin with intercontinental Shanghai Wonderland, a construction wonder built in reverse. Instead of rising upward, engineers transformed an abandoned quarry nearly 289 feet deep into a 5-star luxury hotel, with 16 floors descending below ground and 2 floors completely underwater. Guests can watch schools of fish swimming past their bedroom windows. This project took 12 years to complete and cost $500 million. Turning a scar in the landscape into an architectural masterpiece. And then there is the famous coin building of Guangzhou, Guangzhou Circle, a giant circular structure with a 157-foot opening in the center. When reflected on the Pearl River, it forms the number 8, a symbol of eternity, prosperity, and fortune in East Asian culture. This is how China blends ancient belief with modern engineering to create new symbols of power. And in the end, what we have seen today is not just a list of world records. It is the visible form of a long-term national strategy to connect, modernize, and transform a vast country. From redirecting rivers to linking the highest mountains on Earth with high-speed rail, China is proving that, with enough resources and enough determination, the limits of engineering can keep expanding. These megaprojects are not only solving today's problems, they are laying the foundation for a future where autonomous transport, smart cities, and large-scale resource management become the global standard. So now only one question remains. While China is building the future at light speed, can the rest of the world keep up, or will we simply watch from a distance as the impossible becomes reality? Every brick, every tunnel, every ton of steel placed today is rewriting the history of global construction. Which project impressed you the most? Is fear of change stronger than admiration for these wonders? Tell us what you think in the comments, because the future humanity once imagined may already be under construction, right here.